camped last night in a snow play area, although as you can tell there's no snow because it's April. But the rivers and the waterfalls are gorgeous, and I just filmed a quick 4-minute stretching series for those that have tight shoulders. I have tight shoulders, so doing shoulder exercises or warm-ups or stretches or strengtheners, all those kind of things typically help me. So if you have tight shoulders, or even if you don't, it's quick, it's 4 minutes, just do it now. Inhale, sweep arms up. Exhale, hands down by your sides. Inhale, sweep up. Exhale, release down. Inhale, press palms together at the top. Exhale, hands by your sides. Inhale, shoulders to your ears. Exhale, roll them down and back. Inhale, up to your ears. Exhale, down and back. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Reverse directions. Inhale, around and up. Exhale, down. Inhale, around and up. Exhale, depress your shoulders. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, sweep arms out and up. Press palms together. Exhale, cactus arms, open chest. Inhale, up. Exhale, tuck your chin. Inhale, up. Exhale, lift through your chest. Inhale, up. Exhale, gentle pressure on the back of your neck. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, open your chest, cactus arms. Inhale, up. Exhale, tuck. Inhale, up, reach up. Exhale, hands down by your sides. Inhale, sweep arms up. Exhale, lean to the side. You can gaze up underneath your shoulder or down at the ground. Inhale, back through center. Exhale to the other side. Again, gaze down or up. Find that stretch in your side body. Inhale, reach it more. And then inhale, back through center. Exhale, arms down by your sides. Inhale, sweep arms up. Exhale, twist, reaching one arm back, one arm forward. Gaze at your back arm. Hips try to be square to the front. Inhale, up. Back to center. Exhale, twist to the other side. Twisting from the middle of your stomach. Inhale, back through center. Exhale, arms down by your sides. Inhale, eagle arms. Wrap one arm under the other at the elbows and then touch hands. I'm going to turn to the side so you can see what it looks like from the side. Lift elbows up and move hands away from your face. And then gently pull your top arm over to one side so that you feel the stretch even more in the outside of your arm. Release that. Other side, just switch sides, same thing. Remember to breathe. Inhale deeply, exhale deeply. And again, move that top arm over to the side so that you feel the stretch even more in the outside of your arm, or your shoulder rather. Gently release that, shake it out. And now, grab elbows behind your back. You can also take prayer behind your back if you'd like, but just grabbing elbows is perfectly fine too. Open through your chest gently. Then interlace fingers, squeeze palms together, and lift your hands away from your bum. Again, opening up your shoulders, opening up your collarbone, feeling that stretch through your chest. And release that, shake it out. Big circles in one direction, take about 3. And then reverse direction, big circles. Again, shake it out. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. And if you liked this, hit the thumbs up. Thanks. Bye.